You bought a car from Deanna. Do you like the car? He says his car's all right. All right, let's get this turbo Jeep timed. And it's off. Here it comes. The hood's just chattering. It's got too much boost. Too much boost. She's getting them set right up to the starting line. She's waving the flag like she's ready. Timekeepers, are you ready? And they're off. The two-door looks like it's got a nice lead. See, it's only got 2 doors, so it weighs so much less. It's not how it works, but it sounds good. She's ready. Timekeepers, you ready? And they're off. Here they come. By a long shot. But the fourth one's up on the that was actually pretty close. Maybe an AMC Wagoneer? Battle the AMCs? No. The flag lady says not yet. She says they're ready. Timekeepers, you ready? And they're off. Here they come. That was close. That was very, very close. Timekeepers, you ready? And they're off. He's ready. Timekeepers, are you ready? And they're off. The Wagoneer sounds amazing and looks great all over the track. Right, left, turn, steer. Good time for both of them.